ungenzelani ukuthi ngibe aware of into engiyisabayo qede lapho wena bese ungidayisela isolution ngoba uyazi ukuthi lento ngiyayisaba isolution evuna wena ukwenzelani lokho why you made me aware of what I'm afraid of in the first place why it's a game that's what they do ungenzelani ngibe aware ukuthi mina ngosha forever isikhogweni ngoba uyazi bese ngiyakusaba ukuze ngingashi angize angize la ungifuna khona wena ngithi mangifika lapho kwenzelani ukuthi ungisabise uthi wena imali yami izophela ngizoba nezinkinga uma ngabe ngingakhokhi la ukwenzelani lokho why should I be afraid first why should fear should be used as a tool why should I be afraid first before I do what you want me to do why that's a game that umuntu okutshela ukuthi okusabisayo okutshela ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanje ukuze kungenzeki kanje yenza kanje oyibheka lonto oyiquestiona lonto ungenzelani ngibe aware of ama calamities and scarce job opportunities ukwenzelani lokho bese wena uthi angikuvotele uzowaqeda unemployment uzoyiqeda wenzelani lokho ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akhasha othi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona lento ukuthi wenziwe ube aware of izinto ekwaziwa kahle ukuthi uyayisaba uyifuna igame itechnique leyo ekudlalwa ngayo nje long time ago kwenziwa leyo into leyo yabo ngisho le on a highest level benza the very same thing ukufaka ifi ukuthi iba aware of this that is why they say ignorance is bliss yabo into kumele ukuthi uyazi nendlela kumele uphile ngayo awuphili ngomqondo wakho la uphila ngama intuitions and your guts yabo the higher power is constantly directing you and providing you with the information that you need going all the way out searching for izinto ezokuthusa uzufuna ukuthuka bese wenzani bese uhamba utshela abantu ukuthi akuphephile kangakanani emhlabeni uhamba utshela abantu ukuthi ku-worse kangakanani emhlabeni that is your reality it's not other people's reality that is why I say ignorance is bliss ngiyazi ukuthi khona abantu abathi wena nje awusazi nona ukuthi kwenzekalani kwi-country lezo zinto ziyaziletha ngithi nikhona nini into mangabe ukuthi sekumele uyazi bakhuluma ngayo bonke bese uthi okay why they are talking about this like you filter what is coming to you because into eza kuwe it comes to your soul yabo it comes to your soul into eza kuwena your eyes your ears are your portals even your mouth everything your five senses are your portals to your soul so if you don't filter you take everything asazi kwakho usuka wena ungitshela lento ongitshela yona bese ungiqhamukela nesolution ukwenzelani lokho you are making me aware uyazi ukuthi awareness iyona kanye leyo khukhwayo let me make you aware ukuthi abantu baphatha lenhlobo yale phone let me make you aware let me make you aware ukuthi this is the need obungazi nanokuthi uyayidinga lento why you are making me aware why it's a marketing uyabona uma ngabe ukuthi you shut down everything intentionally uzofocus lapho and uzophila ngokweinqumo zakho yabo nje manje kade ngesitolo thizeni sokudla ngiyothenga amanzi yabo esengiphelelwa amanzi mangifika ngayitshela intoda nalobe ngihamba naye ngathi yabo la ngilambile konke engizoyenza ngizothenga lento engisuke ngathi ngizoyithenga ngathatha amanzi ngishawutshana I filtered everything else that was there for me to be aware of no because I know ukuthi the awareness will create something for me will create an emotional reaction for me yabo uma uyibambe kulento ye-awareness what are you aware of intentionally uyabona uzoba nenye reality lapho uzoba nenye reality lapho, because we are not aware of. Yabona into guys iba khona because you are aware of it. Into that you are not aware of it is not present, is not there, is non-existent or non-existent. Something that you are not aware of. Once you make me aware of, surely I'm going to tell my central nervous system is working. Surely I'll interpret, and then I'll have that based on my beliefs, and then I'll have that emotional reaction. Yabo, while you are making me aware. La endlini yakho la uhlala khona, ungahlala nenyoka peacefully for several years uhleli nenyoka. Kamnandi kanjani? Because we are not aware. And mina, if I tell you ukuthi lalela wena, lapha njalo kunenyoka lapha kwakho, njalo wena iyaphuma le nyoka mungekho wena, iyacasha mukhona. Yabo, now you are aware now. Bese mangiqeda lapho ngithi mina ngayibheka le nyoka ngikushayele yona, ngayibheka ngikushayele yona. Yabo, bese yabona, for the mere fact ukuthi I made you aware and now usune fear, I can play with you now. I can, even if bekuthiwa ayikho vele, now I can play with you now sengingakutshela ukuthi hayi yabona ukuthi ifuna ukuthi ngenze njena, but awuthi yabo, I can play with you now. I can manipulate you the way I can. I can even tell you ukuthi lala kuphi manje yenza, because now we are on a survival mode now. The fight or flight mode has been activated. Once the fight or flight mode has been activated, your reasoning capacity slows down. And by the time your reasoning capacity slows down, you don't take decisions that are clear and sober. You want to survive. So that is why the survival is so dangerous to you. So be careful of what you are aware of. Be careful. From social media, digital media to mass media, be careful. The awareness can create a demand that you were not even aware that you have. The need, the want, everything that you were not even aware of. Bungazi ukuthi lento ayidingi. Yabo kuyimanje. Khona ibrand engakafiki, yes. Khona ibrand engakafiki and awuyazi. Yes, awuyazi. And ngoba uyazi, awukho aware of yona and akukhathazi ukuthi awunayo ngoba uyazi vele. But i-marketing izothi imifika leyo brand ikwenza ube aware bese iphinde yakuvezela ukuthi kanti ukuba nalento kwenza ube le yanto ephezulu ekhekheni, uphinde ube aware of people, kuzocreate i-demand lokho. Kuzocreate i-demand ukuthi now you are aware ukuthi it's like wena usele ngoba unayo lento. Wawuyoyithenga wena lento ayithenga ukube kwakuwena wedwa wawuyithenga, wawuyoyithenga cha. Kusho ukuthi we are being manipulated and controlled in your decision making, because we are not taking something because wena uyayithanda. It's based on ukuthi awareness yakho ithini. It's not about ukuthi how do you feel about it. Yabo, be careful of what you are aware of, because awareness, mungitshela wena uthi mina umuntu wami wenza u1 no2 no3, ungenze ngibe aware of that. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do if you are letting me aware of that? Yabo, what do you want me to do? Because emhlabeni wami exist lonto. Yabo, i-consciousness guys iyona nto contagious ngale ndlela, iyathelelana. Once you are aware of something and nalo aware of this, nalo aware of this, so we land into collective consciousness. That is why they have to make you aware of things so that all of you can behave in the same way. And then that is the energy harvesting, that they keep on manipulating you. Let's give them this. We ask what is in the background. Basically, as maybe aware of this. Why don't they make you aware of something that is going to help you? Zikhona ke nezinto ezizokusiza eziphilayo, but they don't want you to be aware of them because you are going to vibrate higher and change your reality.